Ole, si bai le vek ule. Part 1 na kan zo to a school profile and facilities ang part 2 na kan soi le ang part 2 na kan soi zo chi chi a video sei don tu ka wang kan ti top khan ni a part 2 1.57 na train kan soi le ang 1.57 a chuan key performance indicator KPI kan ti khan ni a teaching learning a hei hi in previous academic year previous academic year ani chuan ti lai hian number of learning outcome based essential item credited in total. Hetilaya hian 1 2 3 4 5 oma heta hian uluk dewin hei n turani a whether the school actively undertake academic enrichment activities such as project work portfolio virtual lab khatiang kan ti ang chi kha heta hian than turani a mo om zia chuan ECC na aken puizel angani ECC na aken zel thil khanita a project work kan ti te portfolio ti te khatiang quiz debate ang chi creative writing kan tiang chi khatiang howa kha in kal puyem ti khanita ni mo nikum chung khan in kal pui chuan entina na ta hian hemi 1 2 3 4 om hi class ti na ni mo class ti na class 1 ang kal pui chuan yes class 2 ang kalpui chon yes kalpui lo chon no class 3 ang kalpui chon yes class 4 yes mo class 5 hi chu primary school a Mizoram education cycle class 5 hi primary omlo vai kan da all maya khatiang khan hi a class anga ngai turani chuan number of students receive orientation on cyber security safety tunlai chon cyber safety hi ngai poi mo to khop maya training te pon ko fowa school a khan no pangkha orientation in nei puyem cyber safety chungchanga hian mo khatiang in nei pui chuan amo mundanga an nei te in chim pui chuan khatiang no pang nei kha engzat nge om class 1 engzat nge class 2 engzat nge class 3 a class 4 a ano pangza chi turani anoi leya number of student receive training on psychosocial aspect mo psychosocial aspect chungchanga hian psychosocial aspect chu soifia wakangai lo in thremayang ta khan no pang in tilaya hian an zat kha inziak le mayang an nei chuan nei lo chuan 0 nei chuan nei chuan ti chawni class zela khan no pangzat inziakang dot leya section 1b school safety and other parameter yes or no vekani hetlam pang hi chu ka soilo wang tilam pang chi ka soyang school disaster and management plan kha kan siam chuan hi school disaster and management plan hi kumtin siam ve turani kha kan siam chuan enge tuna hian yes or no ani maya chuan structural safety audit has been conducted mo structural safety audit kan hanti chu hi Mizoram hian kan kalpui chia lo nge ni ka hrelowa safety audit hemi kan inte kan school building te a safe empty audit hi kalpui tura disaster lampang atanga ti tur ni om takani thengte hi audit kan lo ti chuan yes ani mai ti lo chuan no ani maya chuan non structural audit kan neem yes or no CCTV camera kha kan vu fire extinguisher kan install nodal teacher for safety school safety heta hian in school khan nodal teacher khamita na school safety bi katang khan nodal teacher abi ka ruat amo khatiang kha in neem hi chu anei theyania nodal teacher kha in ruat chuan yes ruat lo chuan no dot leya whether student and teacher undergo regular training in school safety and disaster preparedness school safety atan mock drill kan ti ang chi te khatiang chi kha regular takin zirtir tu le no pang te khan an engani training ang kalpuyam mo mock drill kan ti ang chi te khatiang chia trup la thleng theila ka inven na kha mo khatiang ata na disaster preparedness ka kan neyem nei chon yes nei lo chuan no whether disaster management is being taught as part of curriculum disaster management kha curriculum angin inin zirtir chuan yes no khani zen mai whether the school has displayed safety guideline on display board safety guidelines display board kan display hi chu safety guideline hi chu thilchi engani office tang te pokhan display board atar tur te pokhan anron ti to kan lo la tar nge tar lo kan tar chuan kan tar nga tar lo chuan tar lo whether the school has appointed any teacher as a first level counselor counselor turin hetiang lampang disaster chungchang bika counselor tur kha kan ruatem ruat chuan ruat lo chuan no chuan hetila hian frequency of safety and security audit of school for assuring child safety by involving the stakeholder SMC te mo parents te nu le pa te senior student kan ti ang chi khatiang ho bakha safety and security audit school a khan no pang himnan khan kan ti chuan hetila hian enjia ka 0 chu nan na nia 1 chu 1 2 vai ni 3 in ti za ta kha in nei chuan in ti za ta kha mo kha kum kha chungin engzat nge ti khatilain select turani is the school display photograph of all teacher in the school zirtir tu thala kha tar turan ti kha kha kan tarem tuna composite school grant kan don na nun ber atang khan anei lo chuan nei ngei turan ti to kha hi chu yes kan ti te po angai mei thei has the school adopt initiate vidya pravesh vidya pravesh kan ti kha kha chu kan hre mei tur angai te la ka soidu alowang ti tur la tamsia vidya pravesh khan nei chuan yes no student attendance capture ti hi tilai hian han attendance register electronic le biometric thil chi thumo oma hetila hian attendance pa nga hi chu kan la ngei ta tlang puin kan ringa chuan electronic kan ti chuan VSK biometric ani chuan hei chu kan manglo tlang pui tur angai taila attendance hi kan kalpui da na kha attendance hi kan lo ti tho mei theya electronic VSK po kan ti tho mei theya kha chu in du zok in ti ve chuan in du zok in mang theyang chuan chi tiang che chuan teacher po kha teacher attendance po kha kan la sign thova electronic VSK kan ti tho boka in du zok electronically te po hian ti taila tlemin kemani po khamin muchang kang ve de umei the ni you guys report a khan mo kha chu in du dan whether the school has constituted youth club kan neem nei chuan nei lo chuan nei lo chuan eco club kan neem eco club kan ti hian thil chi thum a oma eta hian eco club pa ngai kan ti kha tunma dewa kan ti ang thin DEO atanga kan din thina kha eco club a oma tuna hian eco club for mission life a oma chuan EEP kan tia environmental education protection ti omboka chumi chu pathum eco club hi oma amar chu heta eco club ron ti hi chu karin dan chuan DEO atanga kanin DEO wa eco club kan hanin din thin kha ani melma ani chuan hemi hi chu kan nei tlang puitura ngai taila achan chu sarkar school big chuan private chu kanin din le din lo kha shet kan hremenga nga sarkar school big chuan samagra tang eco club sum te po kan don kha khami dong kha chuan din tur anga ngai kan ni whether teacher identity card are issued to all the teacher in the school hei hi kanin ang lo nuai mai theya teacher identity card kha school khan kan identity card kha school kan neem achen chuan SDO atangin an issue achen chuan district atang te pon ni mai theya kha kan issue chuan kan nei chuan yes kan tia kan nei lo chuan no kan tiang state school standard authority self certification obtain hei hi self school ti hi school state school standard authority kan ti chuan state ina standard school tour standard anga ati angkha certificate self certificate obtainem in neem kha in nei le nei lo kha ani mai ani yes or no chu kan next leang composite school grant chungchang tela hian kan grant don kha only hei tila hian entaila only for government aided chuan nikum 2024-25 ti hi hriat tu chuan kan hriat tur chu 2024-25 kan ti chuan kumina khan march thla chhovel te khan january february ti vel te khan composite school grant te kha kan donga eco club ti vel te kha kan donga kha nikum sum ti hriat tur chu ani school grant library hei hi chu library hi kan don lo hi kasoi mai thei lova office la mai zo chiang don ya eng te ti tur nge ti kha sport te po hi grant for sport and physical education ti te po hi a puisa ang chun kan dong lo mai theya sport facilities khami item ang khan kan don thin khamo kha kan thredon ne chuan community mobilization a hi median community mobilization hi kan la dong lo nge ka hret chi lova kan dong lovin kala hria a kha po kha engani office lampang training share thei dan a tur angai taila thome SMC le SMDC training te then supported preschool level hei hi voi khat one time grant ani a mo hei hi sing ni kan zia hi ni kuma kan don to ne ke mani bi ka kan soilo kanga preparedness kan tia khan ECC tan kan donga kumina chon abak chu kan dong to lo ani kum khata tan chau hei hi voi khat one time grant ani vai one time grant tan chau kan dongang cho tilai hian financial assistant hetilaya samagra a kan don bak samagra ti maila samagra hnuaya kan don ba ka hian don kan neem mo NGO atangin mo public sector atangin mo community atangin mo others atangin poisa kan don choi kan sanga a hming kan zia kanga a amount kan zia ka so helam panga hian whether the school is maintaining the following previous academic year nikuma inventory register in ICT item, inventory register on sport equipment, inventory register on library. Heng hova hi chu ani na taka chuan ICT items kha register in vongem mo ICT items in entina na computer te smartboard mo printer te khatiang ang chi kha ni kuma khan school tren kha chon tablet te po kan don khani kum masa zo kami kha khang te kha in register em tin sport equipment apo office atangin sarkar school big chuan kan donga mo kha register kan siam tin library te po tu nai te po library te po kan donga khang te kha in register chon yes register lo chon no tin government school kherlo private school apo hetiang sport equipment te hi ICT item te library te po in nei kha register in von chuan in yes anga von lo chon no chuan total annual expenditure of the school account of the following previous year nikuma mo heng a hian exact nge in man housekeeping ate maintenance ate teachers ate construction of work ate others ate heng hi chu engeni private po khan in nei thei vekang maintenance kan te hanti hi chuan school grant te po hi atel thei tur angai te la teacher sai chon teachers grant te kan dong to lem lova amar chu private a chuan teacher lo te po in pe theya khatiang te po kha zelan angai karing civil construction work ai chuan civil works khani civil works dong te kan om chuan amo private school a po in construction ang chi te nei chuan others ang chi te khatiang kha in expenditure kha in zia kang anexa zo ve nai to physical facilities lampang kan school status of present school building tuna in school building kha enge din mun rented nge government owned government school in rent free building mo no building school in run other department building he chu kan thei me private te po in tlan ve ka ngai type of school building type of school building hei hi county hi tilai bi ka hi chu siam that thei ni lo anwe mi hian a zirdo na ni chuan out of total number of building block mentioned above hei hi mentioned above in te hei hi true hi number of active building in block hei hi siam that thei lova above hei chu tian ron ommei tur angai photang paka ani chuan fully paka kan ti kha partially paka kan ti che with paka wall and floor without concrete roof achung rangwa kan tiang chi kha khatiang chi kha block engzat nge nei hei block block kan ti chuan kan hre thei da tu chuan building engzat nge om tina nganiang chu kha a block za ta khain ziak don ni kacha engzat nge block om in nei kop nual thei khang kha in nei kop chuan kacha te point nei theya partially paka hi tain patni a in tia block ni ke ni kan neya school pakhat ka sei deu na oma class block pakhat classroom pakhat om na kha ashanin pakhat om boka chuwa chon patni kan nei ni athende ka chu pakhat chau block khat chau khanin kim vek mai thei kha a block je dan turani chuan out of the total building story wise of breakup mo single story ni chon chong khat double story ni chon chong ni kha chu kan hre thei mayang chu dilapidated building in a state of bad condition or damage as a result of age or neglect certified by authority. How to te tranga chu government de ubi kan yang chu how to te tranga heto lutuk unapproved chinakha dilapidated ta je turni new construction new building under construction exactly nei saklai me ka kha chuan detail of classroom available in the school mo laboratory room not be included laboratory room chu da tel lo tu pre primary room exactly nei primary room exactly nei laboratory room hi classroom angan share lo ni hi chu classroom pa ngai chau pre primary pa ni kg1 le kg2 kan ne ya primary 1 2 3 4 kan ne ya mo man lo chu classroom a chuan ola om lo mo office te kha tani lo jek te langa je tel lo turani hi chu classroom big leo leo classroom mata na room all te in nei chuan tila henim da thei chuan hnuaya parukhe hemi le pani le pathum pali peli parukalo nia chita chuan number of classroom under construction sakthat line neyem dilapidated condition in neyem in nei chuan khang khain zia kang kan kai zungang hetilaya hian detail of classroom by condition mo condition hetilaya paruk tur hi ni hemi paruk tur hi chuta chuan partially paka ve kan nia ke ni chu need minor repair kan om ve kani hetla hian hetilaya hian parukin neya paruk ai tam hetilaya zia chuan inconsistency om don ani mo etinana partially paka hian good condition pakhat te kalo nei theya hetilai hi pahni te kalo nei theya hetlai hian mo pathum khatiang chi hei pathum pali panga paruk mo hetilai mi nen khan hetilaya paruk ida nen khan in mil turani ani lo chuni consistency om theyani ka kan thredon ne chuan partially paka hetilai hian partially paka in nei si lova hetilai hian partially paka iti boxi chuan khalaya kha adik don lovani slide chu uluk dem kan endon hetilai le hetilaya kan building nei dana le kan classroom nei dan in ko pa hi hetilai hian man turani chuan type of boundary wall in nei chuan paka partially paka mo barbed wire fencing heads kan tiang chi te no boundary wall mo khatiang khan hi hin thlang don ani electric connection is available in the school hetilaya hian electric connection kan ti hian electric connection pa ngai bil pek ngai ang chi kha po ruk ang chi kha connection nei a chiar lo turani po ruk ang chi meter box nei lo ang chi kha chu chiar lo turani chuan electricity is available in the school then ani chuan classroom zonga number of classroom having fan nei zat AC nei zat heater nei zat mo in classroom zat in zia kang solar panel is available mo solar panel ka in mangem man chuan yes chuan detail of room other than classroom aron ti chetani detail of room other than classroom paruk ba ka room dang howaka number of total other room excluding classroom mo classroom tel to lo mo hete classroom parukiti to paruk ba ka classroom ila nei zonga kha tilai henda tur chu keni hi patni sorry ka soison classroom paruk ba ka room dang in la neya kha classroom a ihman ba ka room dang in la ne kha tila het patni kan neya kan soi fianga hemi classroom room dang patni lo mai chu office le kitchen ani patni kan nei office te kha patni in lo nei chuan room kha office tan khan patni in man chuan room khat room ni kitchen te nei chuan room thumin nei don tina ni chu chulai chu hriat chian tu chuan mark available room hetilai achunga mi b ka hian 2.6a hian hetami hova hi kan markang separate room for headmaster room in nei lo library room in nei sang nei lo nei assistant head room sang in nei lo nei mo common room for girls big tan liuwa room kha in nei hey teacher satan chuan staff room for teacher keni chu staff room kan ti to pa girls tan kan nei sang lo headmaster room po kan nei sang lo tan kan yes to pa abak eng mom lo curricular activities room big pen nation chuan yes mo laboratory room including computer lab in nei chuan in nei zat inon ziak ve le ang dot le a video tu ni posei de don tho mai does the school have a toilet oblique urinal mo toilet le urinal ta henoron soi kopani in nei chuan yes nei lo chuan no toilet kan ti hi chuan ek theina urinal kan ti chuan zun na ringot chu kan sang do ania if yes ka te yes ni chuan enge din mun Mo detail of toilet oblique furniture urinal FUNC ti hi function ti na functional ani chuan atra man tlak ta hian number of toilet seat available excluding CWSN friendly toilet CWSN friendly toilet tello ang chi kha engzat ngei nei pakhat kan neya a functiona water running available bok mo mi patan chuan mei chetan pahnih kan neya pakhat a functiona pakhat a chhia tina ni chu water availability hi pakhat a bok pakhat hi mantlak lo kan nei tina ni chu kan thia mang chu mo pahnih kan neya pakhat chi a function chuan number of CWSN toilet seat CWSN big tan liu leo toilet kha engzat nge nei mi patan in neem engzat nge function water omem mei chetan in neem engzat nge function chuan itla hen automatic in aronin belang details of urinal he chu urinal chawani to toilet ni to lovin zun na big chaw mi pa ani chuan asira kha kan bel ang chi zun na tur ang chi kha mei chia ni chuan ngani chuata andin na tur oma ek in nilo khatiang chi kha khatiang kha urinal kha za ngai nei urinal chu mi patan pani kan ne pani a functiona pani tu yakal theya mo chuan mei chetan pani kan ne pani functiona tu yakal thei bo khatiang khan kan shredon ania toilet le urinal kha kan sang do nia number of toilet under construction construction in nei chuan engzat nge injia kang tuna under construction chuan is hand washing facilities with soap available near toilet urinal block hi hand washing facilities kan ti hi chu engani hetilaya kutsil na kan tiang chi tui her ho thei ang chi kha khami kha ani chuan location of toilet facilities available khoya nge toilet kha a inside the school building chunga khan ngal nge school building pona mun ranin toilet kha ading mo pona kini chuan din tira pon kan thlang is in school building chunga zun na mai thei ang chi khatianga omani chuan kha rin tur incinerator a omle omlo mo incinerator in girls toilet a omle omlo chuan yes omlo chuan no he ka chu ka thlang don yes but not functional oma ma se man thelo sanitary pad vending machine in nei chuan yes mo he chu soithui lo mayang in traffic whether hand washing facilities is available for washing hand before and after meal hetilaya hian to he hi chu soap kan ti hi chu urinal tan big lieu ani hetilai mi hi chu nan in kitchen bula khan tui her hona kutsil na tur omem chuan yes omlo chuan no chuan yes ani chuan engzat nge kutsil na kha mo was point na kha ka kan sang don main source of water drinking water bi kan hi enga changin nge kan nei kan enanga kan sathia mayang soido to lo mayang whether water purifier RO is available in the school water purifier kan hanti chu tui thlip fim na mo hetilaya tanga tui tapron chuaka kha ad in ngal topem nge filter ten mang tunlai chon cooler hi kan mangtlang pui to a cooler ani chon hetilaya khan a filter na khamo kan purifier ani cooler ten man chon purifier ani kha drinking water quality is tested for water testing lab hei hi ahma an soidana khan ngani PHE tanga don ani chuan PHE khan an test sa vekto ti kha ania chu wang chon es kha kan ti tlang pui thina amaro chu PHE atanga dong ni lo mo tui connection atanga dong ni lo ang chi kha chu hei hi anno theyang testing lepa an enfia le fia lo kha PHE atanga dong kha chu testing lepa enfia sa vek nu sem ani an ti wang khan es kha kan ti tlang pui ta kan thiam tura nga yang does the school have provision for rainwater harvesting tui ruwa sur da thatna kan neem mo hetilaya hian thil in hnial thei deuh mai oma rainwater harvesting atan khan athen chuan engani syntax te kan dong ta ni syntax kan dong ringota amaro chu school chunga tanga tui ron fara kha kan do le chuang si lova mo syntax a khan tui pamami te mo engani PHE tui ron semami te mo no pang tui choi te mo kan da le de ya khatiang kha rain water harvesting ani lo he rain water harvesting a chuan atengki in ne yanga chuan school chunga tanga ron ho ang chi amo khatiang rain water kha in da lut ngei ngei turani chu ching thadon nia atengki nei ringot ma se rain water in da thatsi lo kha chen yes but not functional te ta po man theyang chu mo atengki po nei chuang lo rain water harvesting poeng ma ti lo kha chu no amaro chu rain water kha da thata ro sur kha da thata khating ni kha chuan yes o khalai kha kan sha chiang de udonia tam hle mai. The school has library facilities, book bank, reading corner. Oh, library facilities kan ti chu kan shemayanga library khani mai ta a. Chuan book bank kan ti chuan book bank kan ti chu no pangin zirlai bu te kan semta a sem lo pon private school ate poeng polon ta se kum top an exam zo hian an zirlai bu lu ye hi kum thara no pangron lu te tan la khom thinani kan school point kan la khom thina achan chu free textbook te kan don tlai thina wang hian school engeni lo zir hi boi thlak thina wangin no pang hi exam kum top exam top nia hian an lekhabu an textbook hi bikin kan la khom sak thina khatiang kha book bank chu ni textbook englawa kha oh reading corner kan ti chuan literature corner te kan hantia literature corner te kan nei chuan khang kha ada theya reading corner hanti khan no pangina an chiar na mun tur khatilaya lo thuthleng te da ang khani lem lovin literature corner kan nei chuan he tilaya classroom sirvela khan lekha buda na kan siama khata khan literature corner ti te kan tara khata khan lekha bu no pang chiar thei turang chi milem om chi te om chi alawang chi te an class mila khatiang kan da howa kha reading corner kan ti chuni oh chuta chuan lekha bu om zat te khatiang khan in da vek thei book bank te po reading corner te po mo library le reading corner hi ngai pol lo tur chuan full time librarian in name chuan newspaper kan subscribe em chuan number of times library book have been borrowed read by children no pangina atlang puya an lekha bu ho zat angkha mo a ho taka hi chu atam lutuk theilova classroom ate antina na chonu enge morem changa te reading time te kan tiak ting han lekha bu te kan sem chuaka an lo chiara class zon da le mai thina amara chu ina ho kan han tiang chi tak borrowed kan tiang chi taka kha chu hei chu ni chia lo mai thei read by children ron tileta hian hei hi in hial thei deuh turani no pangina an chiar shrim shrim a chiar za shrim shrim pokha da khana sual lutuk chuang lo om mange kan ti dewani ta hian approximate land area of the school hei hi chu LSC a om vekang unit a hian square te iatte square meter te fit te iatte om kha kha chu LSC a om vekang land is available for expansion of school facilities mo in school ram chunga khan school facilities expand nan khan mo additional classroom te sadon taila kitchen set te sadon taila ram ola la om chun yes om lo chun no mo if yes horizontal and vertical mo tila hian ESCT chun horizontal mo vertical a khoi mo jok mo a om kop thei bok school than khada chun a horizontal zong pon om theya a vertical zong pon om thei kha kha chu indu jok in thlangang number of additional classroom required mo classroom required zat classroom required ti tin ngai chu tang kan ti chuan thil amha khan ka soi to thawin ka hria a ngolo kha chu teacher zo kani additional classroom chu dan pakhata chuan classroom in da 11 mo primary a chuan at least 1 2 3 4 classroom 1 2 3 4 om the a om tur ani ta a amaro chu classroom pathum chawin nei chuan additional classroom in deal the adot le chon PTR mang sorry classroom student ratio mo classroom student ratio classroom khata no pangchu ti za chu om turani ti kha 40 nin ka she solo chuan 40 om turani ti kha ni a chuan 40 aya in low tam chuan khami tang khan additional classroom in deal thei bok playground facilities is available in the school playground in school a khan playground facilities om chuan yes in ti chuan playground area kha mo kha in tianga chuan if no ani chuan the school has made adequate arrangement for children to play outdoor games and other physical activities in adjoining playground multiple park etc playground in fiam na tur kha in lo nei lo ani chuan zirtir tu te khan no pangte in fiam nan khan hun in siam mo in khoi lai muna mo kha invite hire me thinem hire chuan yes hire chuan no playground nei lo bok no ni bok ani kha chuan no pangte kha pona in fiam na hunin pengai lo tin angani chu in fiam na ti mela sport ang chi te outdoor games an ti na tur ang chi kha in nei ngai lo tin ani chu chuan whether school check up of student was conducted in the previous academic year nikum chung khan health check up an neim sarkar school a chuan anron nei thin kha kha khain nei chuan yes nei lo chuan no if yes ani chuan health check up veng zat nge in nei mo nikum chung khan health check up parameter carried out heite weight te engen en mo an en ho khain yes angan en lo ho chui no ang chuan deworming tablet mo no pang ne 9 pm pek chuan complete te partially te 1 dose 2 dose not given om ta hi chu kan hremayang iron folic acid kha in pm guideline angin kar khata voikhat an ei tur ti akha mo khatiang kha maintain annual health record whether the school has maintained annual record mo hei hi in ngai da nei ang lo theya an health record hi school tam tak chuan first term exam don te second term exam don te third term exam don ten an height le weight te kan te thina kan compare thina BMI te kan te kan entry na kha annual health record a po ngai thei thawani chu kan shredon nia thermal scanner in nei school khan thermal scanner in nei chuan yes first aid facilities in nei chuan yes mo essential medicine damdoi ei tur lu na thuta damdoi ei tur na chok na ang chi te kha omem pum na damdoi te nei yes or no REMS for disabled to access school building no pang disabled te tan vo bik te tan khan in school access theina tur khan mo wheelchair no pang school ron kal tur ni ta se in school kha alu theim khami tur khan rem sin neem mo khatiang kha yes or no ani chon the school has a special educator help chungchang bi ka in neem mo nei lo chuan dedicated at cluster level no koi mo ber whether kitchen garden is available kitchen garden chu so if you ever ka ngai lo in nei chuan yes no kitchen set is available in the school kitchen set mo ki chu kan nei do fekang does the school have a dustbin for collection of waste engting nge kan nei dan school khan dustbin engting nge kan nei dan each classroom mo classroom bi ka tang khan each a omem yes and all no yes but some mo classroom tina a om lo kha chuan a om lo veka chuan no a om vek chuan 1 om si om kim lo a chuan 3 toilet tan dustbin a kha a thena om lo kitchen tan khatiang zel khan does the school have furniture for student furniture kan han ti chuan student tan furniture kan ti chuan thuthleng le do kan mo bench and desk kan ti kha anin nei vek chuan 1 nei kim anin dai lo chuan true mo nei lo hrim chuan no hei hinga tinga ron da tel kan ti mai thei anon da tel chan chu India ram Mizoram chungai to tun lo India rama chon mun sang pon lai le khazir te po TV te po kan mu thing kha tiang kha tak tak ani alung le kha ten zia ka ti khan mo khatianga thut na po nei chuang lo po na le khazir khatiang te mun tam takan oma khatiang tang kha jan furniture nei lo te kha a thei ani chon if yes ani chon or partially azat in zia kang mo chon kan next le ang so trepe whether boarding or hostel facilities are available for the school stage level tila hian primary stage kan ni ke ni chuan boarding le facility boarding le residential kan nei lo vano kan ti in nei chuan yes ti ta ula yes in ti chuan no pang stand seat engzat nge boy stand engzat nge oma girl stand engzat nge om seat in nei za ta kha chuan does the school have the following equipment hetiang equipment hi neem audio visual public address system PA system kan ti khamo audio ani chuan sound system no pangtana la han play me theina turang chi chuan visual ani chuan visual kan han ti chuan visual a hi chuan smart board te ponianga khatiang chi khanianga chuan PA system kan ti chuan public address system kan ti chuan microphone amang chi kha mo kha hetila hian akhoya mo ber in nei chuan yes kha in mang thei mayang chu mo nei lo chuan no chuan in nei a chian ni chuan hei than le mai tur biometric device mo han nei lo next to per na kan thleng ta does the school computer or digital equipment in nei da na kha mo PC oblique desktop computer PC kan ti ang chi kha laptop ni lovin engza nge man thei laptop engza nge man thei tablet engza nge man thei mo PC with integrated teaching learning device computer khan teaching learning device tel engzat nge man thei digital board engzat nge man thei smart board kan tiang chi kha ani thei mai ang chu projector printer scanner poi printer hi ke ni open hi dika scanner scanner engzat nge chuan server kan ti hi chu network kalpui te tan khan server web camera engzat nge smart TV engzat nge smart classroom hi chu classroom ang khani to chu smart board ne na digital board ne na ko pang chi kha engzat nge chuan mobile phone used for teaching hi chu zirtir tu te mobile phone ka chertel lo tur ne school minga nei khati tur generator chuan is computer oblique ICT lab available in the school yes or no in nei chuan yes ani chuan ICT lab available kha engzat nge number of total functional desktop laptop in all ICT engzat nge ICT lab kha pani te pon lo ni thi dai chu high school le higher secondary school deu tan bi kan ni kreng mi dila hen then khata chun mei thei school train khata kan soi peng lo school train khata chuan no pang computer han zirtir ve computer pani pathum ten neya no pang khan han zirtir ve a primary te mi dila te khatiang kha hetilaya ICT lab kan ti ang hi chuni lo ne lab laboratory ICT tana laboratory big dedicated kha hetal tilai chon da tur chu kan thredon ania chuan kha chun nei tan chon kan enang kan shema hi only for government and government aided school tan chawani is the ICT lab available in the school under Samagra atangin indongem don chuan fill up tur mayang don het lampanga hian kan zo tre does the school have internet facilities in chuan yes ani chuan eng ang type nge kan thlang mayang is access to internet facility used for pedagogical purpose kan ti chuan no pangin zirnan in internet kha an mang telem internet in nei ve zirtir tu ten in mang ringota no pang ten an man tangkai lo chuan ta hian no tur antenna na kini school chuan achina ka soitong kha smart board kan neya smart board hian internet facilities kan pe chuan no pang in YouTube te tin internet pang ten ti khan thil te kan display khang kha chu pedagogical purpose kan mang ti na khatianga classroom in man lo chuan internet facilities po nei ula pedagogical purpose in mang lo ti na does the school have following facilities hetiang hin nayem ICT based tool are being used for teaching teaching nata na ICT based tool in nei chuan yes nei lo chuan no more access to e-content digital content resource at school mo e-content kan han ti chu no pang zirna tur bi khian zirlai bu hetia en mai thei animation te tina soifia na te ole ka te omnga lang chi kha khang kha e-content kan ti chune te digital content kan tiang chuni ta abik takin hope foundation atanga smart board tong kha chon e-content kha anon da sa vekani khang kha khatiang nei kha chon yes tin private school abikin hetiang e-content hi mani school big ta na cm te pon khatiang in ni chon yes point da te yang chu assistive tech based solution for CWSN big ta na khatiang ang equipment ang chi kha chon yes no DTH mo TV channel DTH kan ti chu direct to home kan ti khani maya tin amo TV channel khami no pang ten ta na poimo tur ang bi ka kha kan neyem nei chon nei lo chon nei lo chuan digital library kan neyem nei chon nei lo chon nei lo nei hlau chuan ebook amo e-content amo available kheng zat nge digital library kan hanti hi chuan hetilaya lekhabu library ang nilo khan entina na e-content te kha in neita e-content te kha ho thein pen drive in amo CD na moi neyem mo e-book te kha pen drive in amo CD na moi neyem khang kha digital library kan ti chuni khang hova kha profile facilities chuni ta akso yang khan video thui khop maya amasa pa tuan kan ti to atun mi pa tru kan han ti le ka ato ber kan soidu chu thil hetilaya hian ani na takin tam tak azia thei rualin office lama tanga instruction nga tepo angai ve ani chu kan hredone bik takin sum le pai chung chang kan hetilaya kan soi kha library te hi sum kan dong reng reng hlei nem sport a hen kan dong reng reng hlei nem tepo kan ti mai the amaru chu akai na don kan nei ni mo akhes ani lova akai na don kan nei ni khang kha dong anga kan ngai cha kan inzia angai chang a chutianga chon office thule la kan ngai thla ram do nia kha profile facilities profile school profile and facilities sa kan video part 2 chu ani lo me